So let's talk about healthy eating. We all know it's important, right? But let's be real, most of the time it can feel like this giant tangled mess of rules and things you can't do. Well, today we're gonna cut through all that noise. We're gonna simplify it all down to a few core ideas that, actually work. Okay, let's jump in. You ever find yourself staring at all these nutrition guides and diet plans and these long lists of good foods and bad foods, and your brain just kind of shuts down? Like it's just way too much information? Yeah, if that sounds familiar, you are so not alone. I mean, even when you have the absolute best intentions, things can go, well, they can go hilariously wrong. I heard this great story about a woman named Olivia. She had all the right stuff, a kitchen full of healthy vegetables, and she decided to make this big, beautiful pot of broccoli soup. But then the phone rang, she got distracted, and she grabbed the sugar instead of the salt. The result? A broccoli soup so sweet that even her dog Buddy, and dogs will eat anything, took one sniff and was like, nope, I'm out. It's just a perfect little reminder that having the right ingredients isn't always enough. Okay, so Olivia's sweet soup disaster is funny, but it actually shows us something really important. The answer isn't always more information or more rules. The real key to making a change that actually sticks is a super simple shift in how you think. It all boils down to this one core idea: understanding the difference between what your body needs and what your mind just wants. So what are we really talking about here? Let's break it down. A need is what your body absolutely has to have to function, to be strong, to live well. A want, on the other hand, that's just the craving. It's that little voice in your head that says something tastes good, but you don't actually need it to survive. Let's make this super clear with a few examples. Your body is practically screaming for water to stay hydrated. But your mind, it just wants that bubbly, sugary soda. Your body needs the vitamins and fiber it gets from vegetables. It just wants that quick hit of sugar from candy. Just getting this one simple difference locked in your brain can totally change the game for every food choice you make. And that brings us to, honestly, the most powerful tool you've got. So next time, right before you grab something to eat, just stop for 1 second, just one, and ask yourself this simple question. Does my body actually need this, or do I just want it? And listen, this isn't about making yourself feel guilty. It's just about building awareness so you can make a conscious choice instead of just automatically reacting to a craving. All right, so we've got the mindset down. Cool. Now let's get into the how. I've got 2 incredibly simple hacks you can literally start using today. No weird gadgets, no complicated rules required. First up is something I love to call the rainbow rule. And the idea is so simple. Just try to make your plate as colorful as possible. For a minute, just forget about counting calories or grams of whatever. Just think like an artist painting a picture. A plate that's bursting with color is a pretty good sign that you're getting a whole bunch of different nutrients. So why does this actually work? Well, it's pretty cool. Those different colors you see in fruits and veggies, they come from different powerhouse compounds, phytonutrients, that protect our bodies. So the stuff that makes a tomato red gives you totally different benefits than the stuff that makes spinach green. By eating the rainbow, you're basically guaranteeing you get this huge variety of all the good stuff, and you never even have to look at a complicated vitamin chart. Simple, right? Okay, hack number 2. This one tackles portion control, but it lets you throw your measuring cups and food scales right out the window. All you need is something you already have with you 24/7, your own hand. It makes it so easy to figure out portions, whether you're at home, at a restaurant, wherever. Okay, here's how easy this is. Look at your palm, not including your fingers. That's about 1 serving of protein, like a piece of chicken or fish. Now, make a fist. That's roughly your portion for carbs, like rice, or for a serving of vegetables. It's like your own personal built-in measuring tool that goes with you everywhere. All right, so we've talked mindset, and we've got our 2 simple hacks. But what does all of this look like when you actually put it together, in real life? Let's just walk through a quick sample day to see how it all clicks into place. So let's put this all into practice. You could start your day focusing on what your body needs: protein and fiber from something like scrambled eggs and spinach. Then for lunch, boom, perfect chance to use that rainbow roll with a huge, colorful salad. That afternoon snack, an apple, some almonds, that's the smart move that stops you from wanting to grab junk food later. And dinner, pull out your hand guide: a palm of chicken, a fist of brown rice, and a whole bunch of colorful veggies. See, it's not about starving yourself or deprivation. It's just about making smart, balanced choices. Okay, I know that can still feel like a lot of information. So where on earth do you even start? Well, the absolute most important thing to remember is this: do not try to change everything all at once. The goal here is just to take one small, totally manageable step forward. And this right here might be the single most important thing to remember from all of this. This whole journey is not about being perfect. Nobody is perfect. It's about finding balance. It is absolutely okay to have a cookie or some pizza sometimes. The whole point is making good, conscious choices most of the time, not all of the time. Yeah, if you think about completely overhauling your entire diet forever, it feels like you're standing at the bottom of Mount Everest, right? It's just intimidating. So don't do that. Forget the mountain. Just look down at your feet. All you have to do is take one small step. Seriously, eating one healthy meal today, that's a huge win. Adding one vegetable to your dinner, that is a victory. So I want to leave you with one simple, super actionable challenge. Forget everything else for a second. Forget the rules, forget the confusion. Just ask yourself this one little question. What is one color you can add to your plate today? It's not about taking things away. It's about adding something good. And that one little splash of red or green or orange, that might just be the simplest and most powerful first step you can take.